modifying. It's been leaking for a while. Thought we better get her fixed. I did not have the right size socket for that, so Kelvin's on his way to town to get that socket for the axle nut. And then we've got new brake drum, new brake pads, and a seal we're putting in. I was just going to say how much I like this Milwaukee inch gun I got. That thing is awesome, works great. We worked on the other truck, we got all 2, 4, 6 wheels off before we had to replace the battery. I thought that was pretty good. So today's project, Saturday, I can't remember the date right now. Saturday, September 17th. Doing it on the 86. This thing's still running good. Getting old, getting hard to get parts for it. Quick update on the beans, not much changing. Cloudy, cool. Next week is supposed to be 88 degrees for one day and then back to cool. So turns fast to yellow and then slows way down, but as long as we're making beans, that's the main thing. Now, good morning. It's a beautiful Monday, September 19th morning in North Iowa. Our dog Max got a little too close to a vehicle last night. Got his one paw ran over. He's almost walking on it again already, so I don't think it's too bad. But hopefully he learned a lesson on that one. Beans are changing fast. We got this week to get ready, and it'll be go time. Well, we got the one bean head on, the 92. Went through, greased it, checked all the sections, they are good to go. Changed the oil filter on the end. Now we're just gonna run it one more time, get some oil in that filter. Yeah, they're just stalled out because there's no oil yet. There, we're getting oil in the filter. Everything's looking good. This head is good to go. We're going to drop it off and we're going to run the combine in. We got to put a seal in one of the bogey wheels. So that's next on the agenda. So this is what we got going on. We got this combine home from the service from the dealer, and they must not have seen this. We We got a bearing out or loose or something. We're gonna have to tear this all apart. See what we need. Stay tuned. That's what we did. Max. Come on, Max. We'll take this lock ring off. That holds this cover in here. Like that. And this lock ring holds that in. We took that off, and here this bolt was loose, so we're going to tighten it up to see if the bearing is bad or if we got to get all new stuff. What?
It's just about to run off of this.
You got the impact.
You know, I'm using a breaker bar.
Yeah. Just doing it by hand, don't need the impact. I think it's okay once we get everything sounds good. What do you think, Max? Is it good? You like it? Should we send it? Huh? You just send it? Let me get some blue towels, put this on. Bearings look good. I think we caught it in time. Another day or so, she wouldn't have been good though. Oh, this is not gonna be good. You're gonna have to help.
You know me to do
Move that bottom part in like that. Wish I had one of these tools that was bigger.
Put your safety squints on.
There, we got her. Get out the 82 to work on that bean head, and looks like we're gonna have to put batteries in this thing. Third time we've jumped it now. Getting pretty old. You ready on that end? Okay. Fire in the hole, hopefully. Are you okay? Are you okay? Just taking a nap? Are you okay? He'll be okay. I think he'll make it. Kobe's bringing her in. Can't get over how long that auger is on that combine. Smack a pole or a tree with that sucker forever. This is a 2011 2162. few years on her. Hooking her up. Take it up by the shop. The hydraulics. A lot easier than it used to be on the old combines. Used to have to do every line on its own, now it's all together. Hook up the hydraulic or the electrical. Up before that. Can't get the center belt to turn. I don't know if it's the motor or if it's the belt slipping or... That is one place you do not want to stick your fingers, right in there. That would be bad. Drives the whole sickle, all the wobble box, back and forth really fast. Gotta run full. Now we just gotta grease it, and we should be good to go. We got one section we gotta put in yet. So this is what we got going on today. 90 degrees. I thought, well, it'd be a good day to do some mowing in the air conditioning, clean up some fields, mow some ditches. Thought it'd be a good day to do that. Clean up along the edge of the field. Corn's looking pretty good. Coming along. And then this happened. Track comes off. So we got to put that back on. I wish it wasn't 90 degrees out, but you got to do her. So we got the boards under there. And what we do that for is so you can push down with the attachment on the front, get the back of the track off the ground. First we got to clean this up a little bit. take this cover off. Never happens in a good spot, you know. Oh. There, we got that opened up. Now what we got to do is get in there and open up that grease. Or crack is held tight by grease pressure. And bear with me here, I'm going to have to probably put you down. Get in there and get all dirty. Well, some days you just luck out. I was going to move it because I was in a bad spot right there. Drove ahead and it popped back on. So I'm going to call that a win. Put a little more grease in there, tighten her up, and should be back in business.